to hide that. I want you to own me, own me, own me. What am I gonna say? I've said it all now. Got such a loser price to pay. If you ignore me, what am I gonna do? Oh, what am I gonna do?